Now this is definitely an awesome news for apecoin. BAYC Yuga Labs reveals plan to move apecoin to custom chain to improve scalability. Imagine guys, apecoin is getting its own blockchain in the future. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are going to be talking, as you could have guessed, about none other than apecoin. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on ape, so if you want to find out where this price is going to go in the future, make sure to stay with us till the end of this video, because first of all guys, I would not want you to miss out on some of the really interesting news and updates that we have prepared for you. Now before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding apecoin. If we take a look at the price right now, we can see that the current value is $14.11, which is actually a drop in the amount of 8.07% in the last couple of hours alone. The trading volume, on the other hand, is down by much more. It's down by 36.79%, as you can see on the screen. But take a look at the price movement. It seems that the bears are definitely pushing the price of apecoin further down. But what's important for us guys is this dot at the end over here. So where is this price going in the future? All you would need to do to find that out is watch this video till the end. Because first of all, as I said, I would not want you to miss out on the news that we have prepared for you. So take a look at this folks. Yuga Labs and their partners made a history on Sunday by selling out what is seen as the largest NFT launch. However, considering the challenges faced during the minting process on Ethereum blockchain, the NFT creators have revealed it will be necessary for their native apecoin to have a blockchain of its own. On Sunday morning, Yuga Labs, the creator of BAYC NFTs and now the Other Side project, revealed that the record-breaking Otherdeed NFT launch was sold out. However, the sale was not without hiccups. Several community members experienced failed transactions as high demand caused the network to crash at some point, with minting costing an arm and a leg in Ethereum as fees went to the moon. Glassnode CTO Raphael Schultz-Kraft revealed that the average Ethereum gas fee was around $4,830 paid per transaction, nearly enough to equal the Otherdeed mint price as Ethereum scalability woes come to fore once again. Ethereum miners, on the other hand, had a cause to celebrate as they ranked in about $87.6 million in 1 hour, an all-time high according to Glassnode executive. The Otherdeed NFT mint would issue digital deeds of 55,000 plots of Other Side land for 305 apecoin, around $6,000 per mint, was one of the most anticipated NFT and metaverse events ever. Anticipation for the mint saw the price of Yuga Labs native token apecoin and the floor price of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs surge. Yuga Labs admitted after the sale that the demand beat any expectation they had for the project, including steps they had taken to mitigate challenges that could come for the sheer magnitude of the launch. The BAYC creator said looking at the challenges faced, it was necessary to consider creating a blockchain for apecoin, its native token, to improve scalability. So guys, apecoin is going to get its own blockchain. You can imagine where this price will go in that time, but right now we are seeing the price dropping in the red. So where is this price going in the future? Now before I tell you that, I would need to say that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, before we get to the price prediction, let's take a look at one of the possible reasons why apecoin is dropping right now and what's going on. Take a look at this guys. Apecoin recent surge caught the attention of not just monkey lovers, but also whales and other smaller sea creatures in the crypto ocean. Since then, however, ape price has plunged again. At the press time, the wild monkey token was trading $14.80 after losing 10.04% of its value in the past day. Ape also dropped by 20.89% in the last week. So, at the press time, data from Sentiment showed that ape rise in price was followed by millions of ape token returning to the exchanges. However, as soon as ape price fell down to around $20, ape began returning to exchanges at the high speeds as soon as the supply of ape on exchanges hit all-time high of around $45.08 million. It suggests that ape investors aren't in the project for the long run, but they are looking to take their profits as and when they can. With prices now back on where they were in the late April, investors should be expecting a good deal of volatility. Naturally, you may be wondering if whales are behind the latest round of sell-offs. The short answer would be yes. It's very much possible as whale transactions worth more than $100,000 spiked shortly before ape tumbled in price yet again. So guys, whales are one of the responsible ones. However, the short-run buyers were actually most responsible for the drop of ape. So where is ape going in the future? That's why we are here for. I will be telling you that in a second, guys. But take a look at this. This is what I wanted to show you. Ape has been decreasing since reaching an all-time high price in $27.60 in April 28. So far, it has decreased by 45%. On May 2nd, it reached a low of $14.20 and bounced slightly. The bounce served to validate the previous all-time high resistance at $14.50 as a support. A breakdown below this level would indicate that the current structure is bearish. So right now we are under $14.50. To be exact, we are at $14.13. So the price has dropped since then, and the bears are definitely in the driver's seat. So is it a good time to buy apecoin right now? Let me tell you right away, it's not, guys. I have a feeling that this price in the very near future will drop even below $14. As you can see over here, it did already go under $14. So by the end of the day, I'm sure that it will get back to that level. And I would not advise you to enter the apecoin community at least until the bull starts pushing this price a bit more, or it starts hovering around some stable amount. Right now, I'm only seeing it dropping under $14 before the bulls pick up. So it's definitely not a good time to buy it at this value. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.